In the heart of Baghdad, during a night illuminated by stars, there lived a humble lantern maker named Idris. Known throughout the city for his craftsmanship, Idris's lanterns were not only a source of light, but a beacon of hope and faith. One blessed month of Ramadan, Idris found himself engrossed in making the perfect lantern, a gift for the mosque he frequented for Taraweeh prayers. He envisioned it bright enough to cut through the darkest night, yet designed intricately to reflect the Islamic art of old. As the day of gifting neared, Idris faced an unexpected challenge. A storm loomed over the city, and the night before, a fierce wind had toppled the lantern from its stand, shattering it entirely. Distraught, Idris fell on his prayer rug and turned to prayer, his heart heavy yet hopeful. "Ya Allah," he whispered, "grant me the strength and patience to rebuild what was lost, to fulfill my intention this holy month." With the first light of dawn, Idris set to work, trusting in Allah's plan. He remembered the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who said, "Patience is light." Energized by these words, Idris painstakingly rebuilt the lantern, piece by piece, each moment filled with dhikr. When the time of Asr prayer arrived, Idris had finally completed the lantern. It was even more beautiful than before, each facet telling a story of perseverance. With heartfelt gratitude, he offered the lantern to the mosque, where it was hung in the central hall, casting a warm, steady glow. That night, as the community gathered for prayers, the lantern illuminated not just the room, but the hearts of all who prayed, a reminder of resilience and faith. The lesson was clear. In every trial, patience and prayer become the light guiding us forward.